Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Huh? Yes, what are you doing? Yeah, big smiles. Those are big smiles. Uh-huh. Big smiles. You give me some more? Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Tell me. Talk to Dad. Talk to Dad. Yes, talk to Dad. Yes. Did she fertilize my front yard? All right, thanks, Dave. Good thing it's cold enough I don't have to mow. You giving her a treat for that?
It's not my problem. She got a treat.
Yeah. Nathan's been giving Daddy some big smiles. Yes. Yes. Now you're just kind of looking at me like, hey, what are you doing over there? Say, hey, Dad, what are you doing over there? I'm laying here on my back. And you're just sitting there with a camera in your hand, doing whatever. No, I just put one of those things down. Tell me. Tell me. I think this shot might be too dark. Let's see. There you go. You're kicking that pillow. There, your pillow's gonna fall on your legs. That pillow's gonna fall on your legs, buddy. Here, let's see. There you go. There you go. Yes. Yes. We're recording you. Yes, we are. You're just kind of watching. You're not doing much. But we're recording you. We'll show this to you when you're older. And say, look, see, when you were a kid, you really didn't do much. Which is why you should do so much more. Like chores around the house. Yes, chores around the house. I'll have you mowing the lawn by the time you're 3. What do you think? 3? Get you one of those small mowers. Those little kitty mowers. You know, popcorn. Yeah. Yeah? Now you want to wait till you're 4? Okay, we'll wait till you're 4. Look at Daisy trying to get all up in my face. She's jealous. Yep, oh, there she goes. See, she's gonna walk in front of the camera. She's trying to steal your camera time. Yeah, she's trying to steal your camera time. Yeah, you tell her. Daisy, quit stealing my camera time. Dog, quit it. Yeah, say dog, quit it. Yeah, see, there you go, dog. Yeah, at least Daddy's gonna tell everybody you said dog already. No, that was Derek. That's Derek's thing. Yeah, tell me. Oh yeah, now you're getting vocal. Now you're getting vocal. Tell me. Tell me all about it. Yeah? You tell me all about it? Bye, 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 bye. Alright, buddy. I see you stretching for that pillow. Maybe Dad needs to reposition it. Yeah. What's this coming? What's this coming? Huh? What's that coming? Yes. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Say hi, everybody. Alright.